Student Jai Swaminarayan, welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 8 maths and our chapter is mensuration. That is our 11th chapter, that is mensuration. Okay, in this chapter yesterday we learned about mensuration, how to measure any area, any parameter of in our daily life. Okay, and we have learned that for closed plane figure, okay, the parameter is the distance around its boundary and the area is the region covered by it. Okay, understand? So we learn, so for any closed plane figure we calculate parameter which is the length of its boundaries, and the space enclosed within this boundary is called its area. Okay, we have also learned to find area of pathway and crossroad. Okay, now we will try to find area and parameter of some quadrilaterals. Okay, suppose what do you mean by quadrilaterals? Quadrilateral four-sided closed figure is called quadrilateral. Okay, understand? In the later part we will also learn to calculate volume and surface area of solids. Okay, so first of all you have to know 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. Okay, understand? So you have you write these formulas. 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. 1 decameter square is equal to 100 centimeter square. Okay, understand? 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Okay, and 1 hectare is equal to 100 acre, or we can write it 1000 meter square. Okay, and we know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height, area of parallelogram is equal to base into corresponding height, area of circle is pi r square, area of square is side into side, that is we know that side square. Okay, understand? So yesterday we learned about it and we also find the questions first, second, third and fourth. Hope you all are completed these questions. Question number first, second and third you have completed. And now what about question number 4? A flooring tile has the shape of parallelogram whose base is 24 centimeter and the corresponding height is 10 centimeter. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meter square? If required, you can split the tiles in whatever way you want to fill up the corners. Okay, understand? So in this question what is given? First of all, it's given parallelogram. The flooring tile has the shape of parallelogram. Okay, whose base is 24 centimeter and corresponding height is given 10 centimeter. Okay, both are in centimeter, so we have no problem. Now we can easily find the area of these tile. Okay, and how many such tiles required to cover a floor of area 1080 meter square? Now here the area of room is given 1080 meter square, but area of tiles is given in centimeter. Okay, understand? So we know that what is area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is base into corresponding heights. Okay, area of parallelogram is equal to, we can write it, base into height. Okay, now base, area of tiles. See, area of base of tile is 24 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Now when we convert centimeter into meter, so we have to divide it by 100. Okay, so first of all we have completed centimeter, converted centimeter into meter. Okay, so 24 सेंटीमीटर है, हमें पता है 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर एंड 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1/100 मीटर. सो 24 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों, 24/100 मीटर. ओके, सेम 10/100 मीटर. This is our base and this is our height. Okay, now we know that base into height, so we can write 24/100 into 10/100. हमारे ये क्या मिलेगा, हमें मीटर स्क्वायर में मिलेगा. ये क्या होगा, एरिया ऑफ टाइल. ओके, सो दिस इज 240/10,000. 40 रहेंगे मीटर स्क्वायर और वी कैन राइट इट 0.024 मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ दिस इज एरिया ऑफ टाइल. ओके, now we know what is area of floor. Area of floor is 1080 meter square. Now here area of tile is also in meter square. So we have what we can do, we can do number of tiles, number of tiles. हमें क्या निकालना है, number of tiles निकालना है. So what we can do here, total area upon area of tiles of one tiles. ठीक है, what is the problem, number of tiles हमें निकालना है is equal to total area upon area of one tiles. Okay, total area is 1080 and area of one tile is 0.024. Okay, so what is the area, area is अब जब आप इसे सॉल्व करेंगे, सो पहले इसे आप क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर डेसिमल के बाद कितनी प्लेसेस हैं, 3. सो यू हैव टू राइट 1000 हियर and you can cut it down. 540 again 270. now 3 के टेबल से कटेगा, 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 4 ज़ा 12, 3 5 ज़ा 15, 45 into 1000. so your answer is 45,000 tiles. Okay, so your answer is 45,000 tiles. Okay, understand. Same way you can complete question number 5th also. What about question number 5th? Your question number 5th is, an ant is moving around a few food pieces of different shape scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? Remember, circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression c is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. Okay, अंडरस्टैंड. सो दिस वे हियर फर्स्ट जो आपको फिगर दिख रहा है वो सेमी सर्कल दिख रहा है. सेमी सर्कल में आपको जो 2.8 सेंटीमीटर दिख रहा है दैट इज़ द डायमीटर. सो डायमीटर को जब आप हाफ करोगे, डिवाइडेड बाय 2 करोगे, सो यू कैन गेट द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सेम वे सेकेंड जो आपको दिख रहा है उसमें पैरामीटर ऑफ सेमी सर्कल पार्ट, आपको सेमी सर्कल का नीचे वाला पार्ट जो दिख रहा है वो आपको क्या दिख रहा है, सेमी सर्कल दिख रहा है 2.8 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो हियर पाई आर मीन्स सी, सेमी सर्कल का जो आप निकालते हैं, सेमी सर्कल का जो पैरामीटर होता है वो होता है नॉर्मल पैरामीटर ऑफ सर्कल होता है 2 पाई आर. when you talk about semi circle, so 2 pi r upon 2, so 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, so your answer is pi r. okay, so parameter of semi circle is pi r. okay, understand. and r you can find here, 2.8 को डिवाइड करोगे 2 से तो आपको r फाइंड हो जाएगा. okay, and what about थर्ड फिगर, पैरामीटर ऑफ सेमी सर्कुलर पार्ट। आप यहाँ पर अगर इस टाइप से, ये आपका सेमी सर्कुलर पार्ट हो गया, यहाँ पर आपको रेडियस, अगेन डायमीटर इज गिवन, ओके, एंड दिस इज अवर ट्रायंगल। ये आपको क्या दिख रहा है, ये आपको दूसरा वाला जो दिख रहा है ये आपका हो गया ट्रायंगल, ओके। यहाँ पर आपको पता है 2.8, 2 and 2, so you can easily find the area of this triangle, okay, and area of semicircle, okay, and add them, understand? So this way you can find the area, okay, understand? Now area of trapezium. What do you mean by trapezium? First of all, when we talk about trapezium, so you have to know what is trapezium. So trapezium is a figure which have only one pair of parallel sides, okay, one pair of parallel side, that is called trapezium. And trapezium is also a quadrilateral, okay, means they have four side closed figure. And in this and trapezium is a special quadrilateral which have four side, which have only one pair of parallel side. The area of trapezium is the half of the sum of the length of parallel side and then multiply the perpendicular distance between them, okay. When we want to find the area of trapezium, so what we have to do, trapezium is a quadrilateral which has only one pair of opposite side parallel. In the given trapezium, अगर हम कोई trapezium की बात करते हैं, see here, if I talk about this trapezium, okay, so here the name of trapezium we can see that WXYZ, okay. If this is a trapezium, so we can see here WX is parallel to ZY, okay, YZ, okay. If we draw the diagonal, अगर हमने यहाँ पर डायगोनल ड्रॉ किए, डायगोनल हमने कौन कौन से ड्रॉ कर लिए हैं, डायगोनल हम ड्रॉ करेंगे अगर, तो वो होगा y के साथ में w एंड z के साथ में x, ओके। एंड if I draw the diagonal, see, अगर मैं यहाँ पर एक डायगोनल ड्रॉ करती हूँ, so this is my diagonal, okay, this is my diagonal, okay, and मुझे यहाँ पर एक ट्रायंगल मिल गया, दैट इज WXY is my triangle, okay, and the second triangle is WYZ, okay. There are two triangle we get, so area of trapezium, अगर मैं एरिया बात करूँ ट्रेपेजियम का, area of trapezium WXYZ is equal to area of triangle XYZ and plus area of triangle WYZ, ओके। सो अगर मैं इन दोनों ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकाल लेती हूँ तो मुझे एरिया मिल जाएगा ट्रेपेजियम का, ओके, अंडरस्टैंड। एंड व्हाट वी कैन डू अनदर वे, द अनदर वे ऑफ टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम इज, वी कैन फाइंड टू डिफरेंट, सॉरी, एल्टीट्यूड हम डाल करके भी उसको फाइंड कर सकते हैं, ओके। सी हियर इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दिस ट्रेपेजियम, दैट इज ABCDE ट्रेपेजियम है, तो हमने क्या किया, हमने EC क्या डाल दिया एक उस पर, EC ड्राइंग EC हमने उसका एल्टीट्यूड डाला है। बाय ड्राइंग EC इज पैरेलल टू AB, वी कैन डिवाइड it into two parts, one of rectangular shape and the other is in triangle shape. So we can draw, अगर हमने यहाँ पर एक perpendicular डाला है, so ABEC is our rectangular and ECDE is our triangle, okay. So we can find first of all we can find the area of rectangle and area of triangle and then add them. Okay, understand? So this way we can find the area. Okay student, there are some different trapezium and we can divide it into different shapes and we can find easily the area of trapezium. Okay, understand? Sorry. Area of general quadrilateral. If we want to find the area of general quadrilateral, then let us consider ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, in general quadrilateral can be split into two triangles by drawing one of its diagonal. This triangulation help us to find a formula for any general quadrilateral. हमने क्या किया, एक डायगोनल अगर ड्रॉ कर लिया तो हमें उस डायगोनल के थ्रू हम कोई भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल का क्या फाइंड कर सकते हैं बच्चों, एरिया फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो ABCD इज इट्स डायगोनल BD. अगर हमने एक BD डायगोनल डाल दिया और we can draw a diagonal AC also. So divide it into two triangle. Okay, that is ABC and ACD. Okay, let A, हमने क्या किया, उसमें दो क्या डाल दिए बच्चों, परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करें फ्रॉम वर्टाइसेस B and D. Okay, on diagonal AC. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Okay, understand? So you can easily find the area of these quadrilateral. Okay, understand? Now let's see the example. First example, find the area of quadrilateral PQRS shown in figure 11.11. Now हमें एरिया फाइंड करना है इसका. See, this is the quadrilateral. Here it is given, the height is given and base 5.5 is given. We can easily see there are two triangle. Okay, that is in PQRS. इसमें हमें triangle PQS and triangle QRS. These are two triangles. Okay, now in this case D is given. D is equal to, means diagonal is equal to 5.5. H1 हमें given है, H1 is 2.5 and H2 is given, that is 1.5. So area of this quadrilateral is 1/2 into D H1 plus H2. So we can find 1/2, 5.5 is our D, 2.5 plus 1.5, and this formula we can find the area of quadrilateral. Okay, so this is the formula. Means D is our diagonal, H1 is height of one perpendicular and height of second perpendicular. Okay, understand? Now area of special quadrilateral. What is special quadrilateral, student? In special quadrilateral there are rhombus. Okay, first of all we can see that is rhombus. Okay, the rhombus is a special quadrilateral which have all the sides of equal length. Okay, we can use the same method of splitting into triangle. हम इसमें भी क्या करेंगे, triangulation करेंगे to find a formula for area of rhombus. Okay, therefore its diagonal are perpendicular bisector of each other, or we know that their diagonal is perpendicular bisector of each other. So that make a 90-degree angle. We know that rhombus is a special parallelogram in which all sides are equal and diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Okay, understand? So if we talk about a rhombus, so area of rhombus, we can say that area of rhombus is equal to D1 into D2, 1/2 D1 into D2. Means one diagonal into second diagonal. Okay, understand? So in other word, area of rhombus is हाफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स डायगोनल. ओके, रोम्बस का एरिया अगर हमें फाइंड करना है तो रोम्बस का एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या है, हाफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स डायगोनल. एंड व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ जनरल क्वाड्रिलेटरल, जनरल क्वाड्रिलेटरल का एरिया क्या होगा, 1/2 d इंटू h1 प्लस h2. ओके, मीन्स जो आप परपेंडिकुलर डाल रहे हैं उसकी हाइट h1 प्लस h2. ओके, एंड d इज द लेंथ ऑफ डायगोनल. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. So let's see the example. Find the area of rhombus whose diagonal length is given 10 centimeter and 8.2 centimeter. Then what can you do, 1/2 into 10 into 8.2. Okay, so it's 41 centimeter square. Okay student, area of polygon. If you want to find area of any polygon, you can triangulation means उनको divide कर दीजिए triangle, square और rectangles में. सिंपली आपको क्या करना है, सिंपली आपको उसको डिवाइड कर लेना है. वी हैव सीन सो मेनी फिगर, सीन दैट वी कैन फाइंड एरिया ऑफ एनी क्वाड्रिलेटरल बाय डिवाइडिंग इट इनटू टू क्वाड्रिलेटरल, टू ट्रायंगल्स. सिमिलर मेथड can be used to find the area of any polygon. Okay, if this type of polygon are there, so you can divide it into three triangles. See this type of triangle, see here 1 2 3 and 4 triangle are there and one rectangular shape is there. Okay, so you can find the area different area that part means आप पहले ADF ट्रायंगल का एरिया फाइंड कर लीजिए, देन ADE का फाइंड कर लीजिए, देन ट्रायंगल GCD का फाइंड कर लीजिए, एंड देन लास्ट में आप रेक्टेंगल का एरिया फाइंड कर लीजिए BCGF का. Okay, and then add all the areas. Okay, understand. If both diagonal of parallelogram are equal, then it's become rectangle. Rectangle is the same special case of parallelogram. Okay, understand. If both diagonal of rhombus are equal, then it become square. Square is a special case of rhombus. Okay, so remember this thing. If both the diagonal of rhombus are equal, then it become a square. And if both diagonal of parallelogram are equal, diagonal both equal हैं, then it become rectangle. parallelogram के दोनों diagonal equal है तो वो rectangle बन जाएगा, और rhombus के दोनों diagonal equal है तो वो square बन जाएगा. Okay, so parallelogram का special case है rectangle and rhombus का special case है square. Okay, so remember this thing. Okay student, today we learn how to find the area of trapezium, area of rhombus, how to find the area of any polygon. Okay, understand, or area of any quadrilateral. So let's see. (11.2). Okay, so you have to complete this exercise 11.2. Question number okay, first of all you have to complete example first, second and third. Okay, that's it. आपको आज खाली यही करना है, आपका होमवर्क है क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड इज योर होमवर्क. Again I will told you example number first, second and third is your homework. Okay, understand. So complete this homework. Have a good day.